Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out from Apex Legends account on PC. Let's get started. When you visit the EA website or the Apex Legends website and sign into your account, you can access the account settings. Navigate to the left side of the screen and click on Connections to view all currently linked accounts to EA. You can link and unlink these accounts as needed. However, for Steam users, it has been reported that there isn't an option to unlink their EA account. If you signed into a specific EA account when launching Apex Legends on Steam for the first time, that account appears to be linked permanently with no manual unlinking option available. For console players, you may have the option to link or unlink accounts from this page. If you exclusively play on Steam and don't find the option to unlink, you'll need to contact EA's customer support to properly log out. EA doesn't provide a manual logout option, so reaching out to customer support is the only way to change accounts on Apex Legends. When you visit the Apex Legends or EA website, scroll to the bottom and find the support category. Under support, look for Apex Legends and initiate an email conversation with them. You'll need to prove ownership of the account, and EA's customer support can assist in unlinking it for you. Be aware that there may be repercussions, including potential loss of progress. As mentioned, linking occurs permanently when you sign into an EA account while running the game through Steam. Use the appropriate support option, such as, I need help logging into my EA account. I want to move my game progress to another account. Or regardless of the option you select, either chat or email. Specify your platform as PC or Steam PC. Describe the subject and the problem you're facing, and EA's customer support will assist you accordingly. If you play outside of Steam, you can simply log out on the EA website to change accounts or unlink the PSN or Xbox account. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.